All right, it's a Sunday afternoon. I just finished up lunch. I got a neighbor that had some dirt brought in. They're dumped in piles in his yard. He wants to get them knocked down. So I thought we'd try to go do that this afternoon. Now, when I say neighbor, how far away do you think he lives? Because this guy lives about 2 or 3 miles from my house, but we'll just drive the backhoe over there. Was there a lot of water standing here?
Well, right in through here there was, and then it would slowly leach away.
Well, I think we can still bring more dirt up into here.
Oh yeah.
Fill up some of that area. Yeah, we can still lose a little bit more up in there, a little bit more around there. All right, well, we'll keep knocking her down.
Okay.
So we're just trying to lose all this dirt in the low spots. A little bit more to go. Okay, it's been a full week since I knocked down those dirt piles with a backhoe, and I've got this crew loaded up now. We're going to head back over there and see if we can't get it leveled and smoothed up enough to where they could hopefully seed it this fall. So let's go back to the job. Man, this is a lot harder than what I'd hoped. It is really packed in there. It's like what you'd expect around a pond bank if you're trying to build a dike, but it's going to take a good bit of time to get this loosened up before I can use the small grater box on it. So better keep going. Alright, well, that's about an hour's worth of running the 3-point grater box, although that is not the perfect tool for the job. But I think for the most part, I'm getting it busted up, using what I have, and sometimes you're forced to do that. You got to use what you've got. You know, I spent an hour busting this down. I could have maybe done it in half the time with something different, but then I'd had to go get something different. I'd had to spend money to have something different. You just use what you have at your disposal. So, and I know a lot of folks are like that. You need a bulldozer, but you got a backhoe, you use a backhoe. You need a skid loader and you got a compact tractor with a loader, that's what you use. So now I'm going to switch over to my little garden tractor with this pull type grater box, and I know that I can do a better job of getting things leveled up, and hopefully it'll not only be smooth but level and even, and we'll see how that goes. I'll probably spend another hour on that machine. So. I think this yard turned out pretty good. Hopefully that solves some of the drainage issues they were having with the ponding of water here. It's hard to believe that you can lose 8 full axle loads of dirt in a space this big and get it all leveled out to where it didn't look like anything was added. But I think we're really close. I think a couple hours with the kids or grandkids picking up rocks and some of this debris that's laying on top, and this will shape up pretty good. They'll get it seeded down and they'll be ready to mow grass next year. So, all right, I'm gonna load stuff up and head for home. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for stopping in. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Take care.